Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and today in this video I will show you how we can use Tbox Excel modules to create a new Excel workbook and as well as how we can create a new worksheet inside that particular workbook with the help of Tbox Excel modules. So we can create a new workbook as well as we can define a new worksheet with the help of Tbox standard Excel module. So let's see from where we can find this standard module. So if we jump to Tosca, so inside the standard module you can find Tbox X Engine, and inside this X Engine you can find a Excel folder, and inside that folder we have Excel modules. So to create a new Excel workbook, first of all I have to use this module Tbox Open Excel Workbook, and as well as you can see here for create Excel worksheet also module is present. So I will use this module first. Now I will drag and drop this module into the test case section, and here I can give the name of this test case as Excel operation. So inside this Tbox Open Excel Workbook test step, three attribute is there. First is workbook name. So here we have to provide the value of the name of his workbook. So I want to create a new workbook with the name demo. So I provide the workbook name as demo and the path in which location I want to create this new workbook. So here in this particular location I want to create a new workbook. As of now you can see this particular path is empty. Here no workbook is there. So I will copy this path and simply I will paste here. And here I have to provide the name of the workbook as well. So demo and extension is Excel SX. Now third attribute is create new. So if we want to create a new workbook, then here from drop down I can choose the value as true. In my case I will create a new workbook, so I'll select the value as true. And if we want to execute, if you want to open an existing workbook, then in this case we can choose the value as false. So with this module we can create a new workbook. Now I want to define a new worksheet name inside this workbook. So again I will jump to module section, and here you can see we have already module present Tbox create Excel worksheet. So I can drag and drop this module inside the same test case, and here also three attribute is there is the workbook name. So my workbook name is demo, I have already defined, and worksheet name in which name I want to create a new worksheet. So I want to create a new worksheet with the name Tosca, let's suppose, and worksheet order. So in which order you want to create a worksheet. So it will be your first worksheet, or it will be somewhere else, or it will be last worksheet. So in my case, let's take I want to create this worksheet at last. So if you have three worksheet in your workbook, then this worksheet will be created on the fourth positions. So now one thing is mandatory here. So for create a new worksheet, we have to save this. Otherwise, the changes or the created worksheet will not be reflected on the workbook. So for this, we have already a module. This module is Tbox Close Excel Workbook. So I can drag and drop this module inside the same test case. So here again three attribute is there. So first one is workbook name. I can provide the name as demo, and path. So I can copy path from here and I can paste it here. Now hit the save. You can see two option is there, true or false. So after creating a new worksheet, I want to save it. So I give the value of save as true. Now if I run this test case, and let's see what happens. See, new workbook is created and all the three steps are successfully passed. Now if I go to that particular workbook and if I open it, see a new worksheet also is created with the name of Tosca. Thank you for watching this video.